Credit cards are often misunderstood, and there are many myths that can lead to confusion and even financial mistakes. Today, we're busting the most common credit card myths so you can make smarter financial decisions. Let's get started. Myth number 1, carrying a balance helps your credit score. The truth, that's not how it works. Your credit score is largely influenced by factors like your payment history, credit utilization, and the length of your credit history. Carrying a balance from month to month doesn't improve your score. It can actually hurt it. The best practice is to pay your bill in full each month to avoid interest charges and keep your credit utilization low. Next up, myth number 2. Closing a credit card will help you improve your credit score. It might seem logical to think that having fewer cards will improve your score, but in reality, closing a card can lower your credit score. Why? Because it reduces your available credit, which can increase your credit utilization ratio. It also shortens your credit history. So, if you don't have a good reason to close it, it's best to keep that account open. Myth number 3. All credit cards have annual fees. While some premium cards come with annual fees, there are plenty of credit cards that offer great rewards and benefits without charging an annual fee. It's important to shop around for the right card that fits your needs. A no annual fee card could still provide you with cash back, points, or other perks, so don't assume you're locked into fees. Here's myth number 4. Using your credit card often means you'll go into debt. The reality? It's all about how you manage your spending. If you're disciplined and pay off your balance each month, using your credit card can actually be a smart move. Not only will you earn rewards, but you'll also be building your credit history in a positive way. Just make sure you don't overspend or carry a balance. Now, onto myth number 5. All credit checks will hurt your credit score. It's true that there are 2 types of credit checks, hard inquiries and soft inquiries. A hard inquiry, which happens when you apply for a new credit card or loan, can cause a dip in your score. But a soft inquiry, like when you check your own credit or a potential employer checks it, doesn't affect your score at all. So, don't worry about that quick check before making a decision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. It helps us with the algorithm, so we can bring more valuable content to our wonderful viewers. And finally, myth number 6. Avoid using your credit card unless necessary. While it's important to be cautious, avoiding your credit card entirely isn't the best idea. In fact, not using your card at all can hurt your credit score, since part of your score depends on your activity and payment history. The key is to use your card responsibly, making purchases you can afford to pay off in full. So, there you have it, 6 common credit card myths busted. Got any more credit card myths you've heard of? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to bust them too. Remember, smart credit card usage is all about managing your balance, paying on time, and selecting the right cards for your financial goals. Don't forget to check out this video for the best credit cards for 2025. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.